you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Marsha Ziegler, and I wanted to tell you how to get some moolah, dinero, money, all from vacationing. You can earn money from traveling. Do you not need any extra income? Do you not want to get paid for a trip you was gonna take anyway? My anniversary trip, I went to Vegas. I was going to take a trip for my anniversary anyway, but I got paid for it. So let me tell you how. The way that you're able to do this is through the travel business. So with the travel business, anytime you book a vacation, it could be a hotel, a cruise, a cabin, different villas, let's see what I'm thinking. I'm missing something. Cruises, hotels, rental cars, stuff like that. You're earning income. We also get a lot of perks too. Normally when we travel to those places, you may get free access or discounts to different places, but that's not what this is about. This is about the money. So the way that you earn the income, let me break it down for you. So if you are not a part of the travel business, then when you book your vacation, whoever you booked it through, they're getting the base pay, plus they're earning a commission that's built into every transaction. So let's say your hotel is like $160 per night. 60 of that per night is probably just commission, and the room probably really was only $100. When you want to put that 60 back in your pocket, that's just an example. So the way that you get the commission and not the Marriott, the Hilton, whoever you booked it through, the way that you get to keep the money instead of them keeping the money is that you need to be a part of the travel industry. On cruises, Carnival, Royal Caribbean, all of the rest, there's so many to name, Princess Cruise Lines. When you book a cruise, there's commission built into that. So they're getting the base pay. Let's say your cruise is like $600 per person. Well, 200 of that 600 is probably just commission, and you could have kept that 200 or you could have received it back. So here's how it works. And being a part of the travel industry, there's a link I will have to send you if you're interested in partaking in doing this. You can do as many times as you want a year, go as many places you want to go whenever you want. Sometimes I'm booking things like we're hitting the road or on the way to the airport, and I'm literally just now booking whatever we're doing on the way there. So it's not like you have to pre-book anything. This is not a timeshare. You do not have to sit through no presentation. I can give you more information, so definitely comment if you're interested. But the way that it works is there's a link I will have to send you. On that link, you just put your personal information. After you put that in there, your business is going to be live within about 5 to 10 minutes. What that means is you'll be a travel business owner. You'll be working with our host agency, and with the host agency, you receive your travel agent ID within about 5 minutes. That ID is powerful. The ID means you're a part of the travel industry. The ID means you can earn money from your vacations. The ID means you can earn money when you book someone else's vacation. The ID means that you can earn money if somebody books for themselves on your website. Yes, we have our own booking website where someone can go on there and they can actually plug in their own vacation, sort of like booking.com, Expedia, if you know anybody been using stuff like that right now. If they're going on those websites and plugging their own trip in, some people even go directly to like Hilton, for example, and plug in their hotel dates, how many people going to be there, how many rooms they need, all of that little stuff like that. If they do it on your website, you get the money. Now, if they don't want to do it, because some people are not comfortable booking their own trips, you can book it for them and you'll still earn the money, whether they plug it in themselves on your site or you plug it in for them. Either way, you are the one that gets the commission off every single booking. So if you want more information, let me know. We do this all day, every day. I have traveled so many places, I lost count. And I'm talking about, I have a family of 5. My kids have seen the world. And my husband, we've been married 12 years. We stay gone. Okay. So let me know if you're interested. Excuse the hair wrap. I recently cut my hair. You can check my page, my YouTube page out, and see the video of me cutting my hair. But I'm just wearing this scarf until it grows back a little bit more, so I have a little length, and then I wear it out. But yeah, so contact me if you're interested in earning money from vacations. It is real. It is legit. There's no contracts. There's no quotas. So contact me, and you have a blessed day.